Have you ever wanted to just pack up all your things, move to another country, and just start a whole new life? Well, that's exactly what I just did. So this video is going to be a life update because a lot of things have changed with my life as well as with this channel. If you guys haven't noticed, this channel has been through a whole revamp. This was my very first YouTube channel where I started as a beauty influencer. Then I turned it to a fitness channel, and then I started doing kind of a mixture of both. And recently I just revamped this channel to kind of reflect what my life is right now. I still have my fitness. I started a second fitness channel called Deja Fit. So we still have the fitness content, but I'm totally revamping this channel to be more so of a lifestyle vlogging as well as a business marketing channel, because over the years since I started this channel, I've just learned so much about marketing and branding and social media that now I want to share it with y'all. Also, I have moved to another country. So on April 17th, I packed up all my stuff, moved me and my little dog, Winter, she's over here somewhere, and we moved to Medellin, Colombia. So a lot of people are wondering, why did I choose Colombia? Why did I even move out of the country? You know, and we're going to address all of that in this video. So first, let's talk about why I moved out of the country and why I moved to Medellin, Colombia. So first of all, guys, my journey of becoming a digital nomad, and if you guys don't know, a digital nomad is someone who either works remotely or runs an online business and can essentially live anywhere in the world because they work from their laptop. So I always had a dream of having a digital business where I could run from anywhere. I always wanted to move abroad. So this has been a journey since I got out of the military in 2017. Over the years, I have been just building my businesses and just perfecting making money online to where I was comfortable enough to move, right? So I was actually supposed to move last summer, 2022. I was gonna move to Mexico. I was gonna move to Playa del Carmen, Mexico. But something came up in my life and I ended up not moving at that point in time. But good thing I did it, because I ended up visiting a friend here in Medellin, Colombia in January of 2023. I stayed here for 2 weeks initially, and I just fell in love with Medellin. I haven't been to any other city in Colombia yet. Of course, I'm gonna travel. I'll only be here 2 weeks, but fell in love with Medellin, Colombia. The cost of living here is cheap. I love the culture here. The cost of living is like a third of what it costs living in Atlanta. It's beautiful here. You can really live a really nice lifestyle here for really, really cheap. A lot of other Black digital nomads and just digital nomads in general come here for that purpose because of the quality of life that you can get with the American dollar. And my friend who I'm staying with now, we're all staying together, but she's been here, she's been living overseas abroad for since before COVID, 2019. And she loves Medellin, and she's been here now almost a year. So I decided for this to be my first stop as a digital nomad. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in Colombia forever. I do plan on going back to the States eventually, to move back. I just don't know when. I don't know if Medellin is gonna be my only stop. I really doubt it. So I really feel like I'm gonna definitely explore some other countries. I'm thinking about maybe my next stop would be Mexico or Panama, because Panama is only a 45-minute drive 45-minute flight from Medellin. So maybe Panama, Mexico. I even want to do Southeast Asia, maybe Thailand, Bali, those areas. So right now, all of my money that I make from my lifestyle is from a virtual business. So I have my Fit Queen Team fitness coaching company where we do online one-on-one coaching. We do fitness challenges. We sell digital ebooks and plans. And then also I have a supplement company that I started last year called Her Nutrition. The supplement company is automated and fulfilled to the point where I don't have to physically be there. So my supplements are, my fulfillment process is based in Atlanta. So I run the company, I run the marketing, all of that. And then when someone orders a product, my fulfillment company ships it out. You know, I'm also an influencer, you know, so I do brand deals. I don't do a lot of brand deals. I plan to do more brand deals type of thing, because that's an easy way for me to make some extra money while I'm over here. But I do those that do make up a small portion of my income. And I'm also like an affiliate for certain things, like, you know, Amazon affiliates definitely is a good chunk of the money that I make online. So I wanted to make sure that I was completely comfortable that I could live anywhere and still make money. So I waited, and the window of opportunity was this year. So I was like, okay, if I don't do it this year, I'm probably not gonna do it. So I just took the leap and I did it. So another question I get is like, what happened to Deja Fit Beauty, right? Because if you see this channel, the channel name used to be Deja Fit Beauty, and recently it has. So recently, I don't really go by Deja Fit Beauty. It's just Deja Fit. But this channel in particular, it went through a whole revamp. So if you are someone who followed me for years and I was doing beauty tutorials and fitness tutorials, you can still get those fitness and lifestyle type stuff. Why does my phone keep going off? Jesus, okay. You can still get that lifestyle and fitness on my other channel, okay? But on this channel, it's going to be focused on vlogging my process of living abroad. So it's gonna be like living abroad as a Black woman, running a business online. It's gonna be some business tips. If you look at my videos that I have up now, I give a lot of creator tips and business tips and marketing tips for small business and content creators. I wanna do some vlogs of like day in the life vlogs of living over here and running a business. So that's where this channel is going, okay? So if you are not into that, you know, I totally understand if you guys wanna unsubscribe. I get it, you know, because this channel went through a big old change, okay? But if you want to, you know, learn a little bit of something, because I know a lot of people, especially women, want to learn how to make money online, because that's honestly, if you want to make money without working yourself to death, getting 2 or 3 jobs, learning how to make money online, and then learning how to make residual, like, you know, money that you don't really have to put in a whole lot of work for. Like, you can set up some systems and the money just comes. So if that's the type of thing that you want to learn, stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more content coming out about that. But if that's not your thing, I totally get it. Feel free to follow me on my other fitness channel, Deja Fit, where we still upload lots of health and weight loss tips. I posted a post on Instagram about me moving abroad, and I got so much I got so many people asking about the process of moving abroad. So I'm definitely going to do a video on that as well. I'm definitely going to do a video of the process, how much it costs, everything I had to do to be able to pack up my whole life and move abroad. So stay tuned for that. That probably will be the next video. Also, a lot of people want to know about like the house tour of where we're living at now. So I'm going to do a video of like a house tour. We're living in an Airbnb. It's temporary, but it's a really nice Airbnb. It's like, first of all, this Airbnb is $2,800 a month or so. It's 3 bedrooms, 5 baths, a really big living room, really big kitchen, nice balcony. The view is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna do a whole house tour soon. So be on the lookout for that as well. But yes, ladies, so that is what's going on with my life, you know, and it's been a minute. I stopped posting on this channel for a while, and all of a sudden I started posting business videos. So I know a lot of people got confused. So I just wanted to, you know, let you guys know what's happening with the channel, with me. Also, you know, a lot of things that's happening, especially because I haven't really made an official announcement on this channel about my supplement company. But yes, I have a supplement company. It's very, you know, it's actually, we're doing some numbers. It's we're doing really well right now. But if you want to check that out, the link is in the bio. First of all, thanks for all my queens who are sticking by my side during this transition. Really appreciate you, every one of you, for subscribing, new subscribers, old subscribers. But stay tuned for the future of this channel, because there's some big things about to happen. Bye, guys.